అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. Congratulations, Creda Hyderabad. Once again, you proved you are the best in conducting the property show. I can proudly say that across the country, this property show is going to be the best in the country, I can say. So they have been once again proved that by looking at the stalls, the way in which they have decorated, widely spread. So once again, congratulations to you. Great efforts by the CYW. I think this time entire show is youth only. Congratulations to you, entire youth wing. So ప్రశాంత్ రెడ్డి గారి గురించి ఆల్రెడీ మన మిత్రుడు రామచంద్ర రెడ్డి గారు చెప్పారు. ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు యాడ్ లిటిల్ మోర్ టు దాట్. సో ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ హీ హెల్ప్డ్ సో మచ్ టు అవర్ బిల్డర్స్ ఫ్రాటర్నిటీ because I know I have been interacting with regularly. During pandemic, every time we used to have a discussion, we had long meetings, how to migrant workers గురించి కానీ, ఈవెన్ మన రాష్ట్రం నుంచి వేరే రాష్ట్రాలకు పోయిన వర్కర్స్ గురించి కానీ, వేరే రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి మనకు వచ్చిన వర్కర్స్ గురించి కానీ, వేరే దేశాల నుంచి మన వర్కర్స్ గురించి కానీ. సో హీ హాస్ కండక్టెడ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 6 meetings with all the developers, all the associations, and he has taken a lot of initiative in resolving the issues. And whenever the problem is taken to him, serious problems, he has immediately was talking to the CM and the problems have been resolved. I don't want to go into the details, but lot of support is there from his side. I've been practically witnessing. Even during Dharani also, he supported us a lot. So thank you so much on behalf of Creda Telangana. Entire అందరం మీకు రుణపడి ఉన్నామని చెప్తున్నాము. So thank you so much. We expect the same support from you in future also. So already Creda Hyderabad is booming, and రాష్ట్రం దేశం మొత్తంలో ఎక్కడ చూసుకున్నా కానీ the real estate in Hyderabad or Telangana nowhere in the country. So I am proudly say that because I being a national vice president, I come across all the cities across the country. So the real estate, the best in the real estate is means only in Hyderabad and Telangana. So only concern is recently there's some developers who are underselling, pre-sales, certain things are happening. I request the buyers to be little careful about that. Look at the profile of the developer. You please get not cheated with the developers. Please check the developers profile and all, then you can invest, because your hard-earned money should not go waste. That is I'm just cautioning the whoever is putting their hard-earned money, before taking a decision, please look at the property, look at the developers and all, take a proper decision so that you will not be cheated at later dates. So I think already Creda Hyderabad has worked a lot on this through various forums. I appreciate Creda Hyderabad for putting their best efforts. So also, this is the best property, the right time to invest. Every time we talk about that, even today also, the properties values will go up. I request everyone to use this opportunity, come forward. There is a huge properties, are 15,000 properties are there across, various developers. Every property is a beautiful property. So please, it's the right time to invest. Come, invest, and have your own property. Anyway, thank you, Creda Hyderabad, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.